Hi, folks. This is Ernie. I received some requests to do a screen record and capture how to use Persona on Suno. Now, first off, this isn't going to be everything there is to know about Persona, but it shows some basic functions that I use and how I use it. Now, what you do is if you create a song that you really like the style, the beat of, and all that, you can copy that as if the same artist is and would copy that and use it to make another song where it sounds like the same artist and the same band did a different song with different lyrics. Uh, let's see, what song do we want to use? Uh, okay, Handyman. This is Handyman is a fun little country tune that is got a lot of double entendre meanings in it, but it's a lot of fun. And let's say I want to use that same country style in another song. Let's try this again. Go over to the three dots and then go down to create, and here it says make persona. If you already made a persona on this song, it will ask you there if you want to use that persona. But right now we're going to make persona, and it gives you this here. It's based on the Handyman song, and it'll always be tied back to that. You can name that what that persona, whatever you want. So I'm going to call this some fun country style. And if you want to put an avatar, you can do that on there. But I don't care to do that. And uh, I'm going to just let Suno create the image. And again, down here you can put some description in there and stuff. But for this point right now, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to go down here and hit save. Oh, I mark it public, so any of you all out there, if you want to use this, you can come and use it. So I hit save. Make this public, confirm. Yes, I do. Okay, now we've created a persona based on Handyman. Now if we go back over here, it says use persona. You can either do it that way, or another way to do that, the way I usually do it, is I go over here to create, and up here it says a plus persona. You can click on that, and here's a list of my personas that I've created. There's the one for white sales that I created earlier. Now the one we just created is this one here, and I can click on that. Now, once you've got that, you can type in your new lyrics here, completely different lyrics, and hit create, and it'll create a song, like I said, that sounds like it's performed by the same artist and same band, which is really cool. Now, that's one use of persona. Another use of persona that I use a lot is sometimes I don't know everything there is about Suno, and sometimes if I find a mistake in my lyrics up here where a word is mispronounced, or I want to change a line or even add a whole new verse, I go into either edit or studio, and sometimes I can't figure out how to get it to do what I want. I'm sure there's a way, but I just can't get it to work. So what I do in that case is I take the original song that I like, create a persona, come back over here and say use persona on a new song, and write the lyrics in the new form, and that usually works really sweet and gets the job done. So that's what I've done on a couple of my songs when I needed to add a verse or clarify some lyrics or something like that. So it really handy tool. I use it a lot. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks.